Hello everyone, and welcome to the International Danube Energy Day conference entitled Innovation in the Danube Energy Macro Region.
Did you ever imagine how our planet would look like in the future? What if I told you that you could make a difference in that look? By taking responsibility and having courage to do something difficult, you could potentially change the world.
We see four big challenges for the transformation of the energy system. It's first the decarbonization of the whole industry in Europe and the energy sector. It's second, the growth of renewables. Perhaps at the end, renewables will be the main basis of the future energy system. The third part is that we have more and more decentralized energy systems. And the fourth is digitalization as a basic trend of all.
So the Danube Energy Plus project is tackling the need for a change in regional ecosystems. So the focus was mainly on the regional ecosystems in order to support young innovators in transforming their disruptive ideas into ventures. That means from idea towards a business. We have been exchanging a lot of topics in the consortium. We have been exchanging a lot of experience, what we have done. We have been exchanging a lot of knowledge that we gained in the project, because what we wanted to achieve is a joint, let's call it, trip that supports at least 90 young innovators, some 10 from each region that is involved in the project, on their path towards their business.
What I want to message here is that it was a really privilege to meet those great young people and their ideas that are meeting the challenge that we brought to them, and you will have the chance today to meet some of them as well.
The main learnings for all of us from the whole project. The first one is that probably 1 month for open call for applications was too short. The physical versus online trainings, this is clear. Of course, if we would have managed to meet and to have the people more time in our premises, it would have been much easier. But I don't think that this is compromising in a way the final result. We believe that the Danube Energy tool, it's a very we had a very positive feedback on it, and definitely the future hubs should continue offering this product to the market and doing it together with some local accelerators or programs.
We will have a chance to see 6 of the 9 startups that implemented the tool program that was a part of Danube Energy Plus project.
Hello, my name is Lucian Alexandru, and I'm the administrator of the startup company IoT for Nature.
Hey guys, my name is Henry. Me and my father, we work on smart home systems and increasing efficiency of the buildings.
Hi, we are Goran and Carlo, both entrepreneurs with newly funded companies. Last year we applied for the Danube Energy Plus program, and our concept was recognized as one of the top ideas in our region. Clever building design, it's an innovative and revolutionary concept in natural building industry that leads us to zero carbon architecture.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Stefan Hristozov from Unmanned Systems Bulgaria. In our company, we develop and deploy air traffic management solutions for drone operations, or as it is known all around the world, unmanned traffic management. In Europe, it's called U-Space.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Komatina and we are SEENRGy Storage. We would like to thank you for the opportunity to share our vision with you and show you how we can all catch the value of energy storage in SEENRGy.
Our project is out of several several pre-existing and functional concepts, which we have brought together and which we have also changed slightly. So they together create a very efficient system, where all of these single concepts function and interact with each other in kind of symbiosis. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Rudolf Samuel-Mašek, and I am here to present the technological biological waste recycling concept, which we named Aqua-reaktor.
Climate change is the defining issue of our time, for sure. And if we are to meet the Paris climate goals, which is to keep the warming below 2 degrees and aim for the 1.5 degrees centigrade warming since the pre-industrial period, we need innovation.
Startups are open to new technologies, to new ways how to do things, and maybe they can also push the others, the SMEs that are, for example, set in some processes for a long time and are not willing to change things. And I think the startups that are coming with new ideas, new technologies, are those who can really move things forward.
The amount of people who are actually thinking about actively participating and changing the world through investments into renewable energy is maybe 10%, which is still a lot, but 10% of people who are generally investing into whatever. So we need to make renewable energy a very viable alternative to a lot of other investment.
Thank you, Marco. How do you see this area? Do you see that there is room for startups from Central and Eastern Europe to succeed on the global stage in these fields?
Oh, 100%. I mean, if you look at the region and how it developed in the last 10 years, not only Serbian but the whole Eastern Europe, there are a lot of really great companies that emerged that I would say 10 years ago no one thought that they can make it in their field, you know. So if they did it, why not, you know, help talents from the region?
Point to which, and these are startups that InnoEnergy, we are involved in them. We have been involved in them since the beginning, actually. The first one is Northvolt, which is the first large-scale battery factory that's being established in Europe. The other startup, which is also in the storage, but in a slightly different way, it's a company called Cleantech from Estonia and Germany, and they are working on ultracapacitors, and they are actually working on a new generation of ultracapacitors where the energy density is highly enhanced, and you're doing that by using more exotic materials, such as graphene on the electrodes in this one. But moving up in the energy density there opens doors for completely new applications on the market for the capacitors, and they have definitely a good position to be useful in the transition towards a renewable energy system.
Program area, the geographic coverage of the Danube Transnational Program. As you can see here, it covers the whole Danube Basin region, from South Germany, the two Länder, Baden-Württemberg and Bayern. The estimated budget for the next funding period is about 165 million euros coming from the European Regional Development Fund. And also on top of that, you have some more funding coming from the instrument for pre-accession assistance. This money is eligible for partners from Bosnia, Montenegro and Serbia, and of course the neighborhood development and international cooperation instrument, for which the partners from Moldova and the parts in Ukraine are eligible. And for this funding period, we have a funding rate at 80% of all expenditures. So that means that there's still a co-financing rate of 20% left.